Hi, I'm James Wood, and I'm a proud owner of a 2018 Acura MDX. If you got a car, if you got an Acura, any luxury car, or absolutely any other car, you need to take it to Autocraft for it to get fixed, because they're going to do a great job for you. You know, there's a difference between good companies and great companies, and I think Autocraft is a great company, and I'm going to tell you why. We had just purchased our 2018 Acura MDX. Black on black vehicle, absolutely beautiful. We take our daughter to college, wonderful trip up there, wonderful trip back. We decide that we're going to go celebrate basically her accomplishments, and we go to dinner downtown, enjoy dinner, wonderful dinner, come out, and we go to the valet, and the gentleman who works the valet comes up to us and says, "Somebody just hit your car in the valet." And I'm so sorry it happened, but luckily I got their information, I got their contact information, I got their insurance, and everything's going to be taken care of. So luckily we came out of that and we felt pretty good. The next morning I call my insurance agent and I say, I want to get my car fixed, and they basically tell me what body shop I should go to. And I said, no way, I want to get my car done at Autocraft because I know it's going to be done perfect. So what ends up happening is they take our car, we end up talking to our insurance agent, and they tell us that we're probably going to have to pay a little bit more for Autocraft because they do a better job and they're a luxury body shop, but we say that's where we want to get our car fixed. We take our car there, they look at the accident, they take the bumper off to make sure there's no hidden damage, they make everything repair that is needed, and the car is perfect. The gentleman who's the consultant for us updates us every single day and tells us about what's going on with the car from A to Z. The car comes back to us, it looks absolutely perfect. In fact, they detailed it and it actually looked better than it did when it got delivered when we purchased it. But I got to tell you, there is a difference between a great company and a good company, and Autocraft is a great company.